Edible flowers come in all different shapes and sizes, from big, beautiful dahlias and sunflowers, which can be the size of your palm or even your whole hand, all the way down to the tiniest, bite-sized flowers.
It's a buffet of beautiful blooms for the bees and butterflies, plus a pleasant sight for the neighbors overlooking this urban farm. These days, young people getting into farming are being very creative about where they put those farms. We're here at Little Wild Things City Farm in Northeast Washington, D.C. And as you can see, among other things, they grow a lot of flowers, particularly the edible kind. Here, first-generation farmer Mary Ackley grows edible flowers in different shapes, sizes, and flavors. Some of her 30 varieties you may even recognize growing in your own garden.
Common flowers that people may know of that are edible are that we grow: roses, zinnias, dahlias, violas. And then some of the less common flowers, borage has a beautiful cucumber flavor. We grow bite-sized gem marigolds. We grow all of the herb flowers, so cilantro flowers, fennel flowers, arugula flowers, and many others throughout the season.
Today's harvest.
This is a regular-sized marigold that people might be familiar with from their home garden. We also sell a marigold called a gem marigold, which is a bite-sized marigold.
But don't let these petite proportions deceive you. These bite-sized beauties pack a flavorful punch. They taste exactly like tangerines. It's really amazing. Same color, too. While the farm is known for the diversity of its edible flowers, it's also set apart by the hands working behind the scenes.
We're an all-women team of farmers, and so we're really proud of that. Little Wild Things was started in 2014. Started very small on the side. It's definitely like an American dream type of story.
Mary's dream blossomed into a beautiful partnership with a local monastery. You can say it happened on the go.
So I was on a run one day, and it just occurred to me that while front yards and backyards aren't available in cities, institutions do have land, so schools and churches. And I ran past this monastery. We're in my neighborhood here. And I just emailed the friars and asked them, I said, here's my little idea. Would you be open to me trying to start a small garden, a small farm on your property?
Her small idea sprouted from half of a quarter-acre lot and then grew into a much larger indoor farming operation.
There we grow about 30 different varieties of microgreens and shoots and salad greens.
And it's here in this 4,000 square foot vertical farm where all the greens and colorful petals come together.
The indoor farm is the hub of our microgreen production. We deliver every week to about 300 households all around the metropolitan Washington, D.C. area, including in Maryland and Virginia.
The customers get flowers delivered to their doorsteps, only this batch doesn't come in a bouquet. Mary's found unique ways to showcase what she grows.
We have so much fun with what we do, and so we have some creative products, one of which is edible flower confetti. It's one of our most popular products, and it's essentially just a mix of beautiful colored petals.
As they say, good things do come in small packages. I think it's really amazing that all of these beautiful flowers can be eaten. So we asked Mary if she could give us some ideas about how to use these in recipes, and we're going to put those on the website. Go to mpt.org/farm and you can try it at home. For the Local Buy, I'm Al Spoler. Joanne?
Thanks, Al. Be sure to check out mpt.org/farm for all our Local Buy recipes. And you can watch full episodes there as well. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for show updates and a look behind the scenes.